Hello friends, welcome to Karthik's Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to rename the PC in GUI and command line. Let's jump it quickly. First, let's do a GUI method. Go to the settings or press Windows key plus I for the shortcut. Click on System. On left side, you see the settings sidebar or navigation pane. At last, you see the About section. Click it. You see the option to rename this PC. By clicking here, you can rename the PC and restart the system. Another method in GUI is type sysdm.cpl in the search bar or in Run Program and hit Enter. Click on Change. You can rename as you required, and click on OK after renaming the system. Later that it will prompt to restart the PC, which is mandate. In my case, I just cancel because it will show you to rename in CLI method. Now let's jump to command line method. Open command prompt and select Run as administrator. Click on Yes. Type WMIC, computer system, where caption equals %computer name %call rename name equals VM PC1 and hit Enter. Now PC rename has been executed successfully. Now restart the system. To make sure, once again, go to command prompt and type hostname and hit Enter. Your PC was renamed successfully. If you find this video was helpful, please do subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next video.